popular saying amongst RVers is, not all those who wander are lost. But I will say that those who are lost and wander find things. For instance, Terry and I were lost, headed to Yellowstone Lake State Park, and found this, Yellowstone Lutheran Church. This is a beautiful 150-year-old church that's built in a sparsely populated area of Wisconsin that is the heart of an agricultural area. Dairy farms and rolling hills, just gorgeous. Very beautiful area. And the church is built out of limestone quarried in the area, handcrafted. These pieces were cut and brought in and assembled into the church that we see today. The steeple was added after the original church was built, but you can't really tell that because they used basically the same stone for it. So churches are built as a place for people to be able to practice their religion. But in the case of a church like this, to me, this is almost as much, if not more so, a testament to the people that built this. And the lives that are represented here were literally from start to finish. But these people that built this were Norwegian immigrants. And when you think about what that means, that they basically left behind everything they knew and came to a foreign land to start a new life. In some instances, never seeing the people again that they left behind. So, yes, this is a beautiful church, but it's because of those people. And it's so great to see it still exists today and be used. And the people just celebrated 150 years. So congratulations, and let's hope for another 150.